100% mortgage new rule explained, step-by-step guide. In 2025, Portugal has introduced transformative changes to its housing and banking policies, making it significantly easier for residents, immigrants, and even some foreign investors to purchase property in the country. One of the most significant developments is the introduction of 100% mortgages, a bold move aimed at boosting homeownership, especially among younger buyers and newcomers. This essay breaks down the new rule in detail and provides a step-by-step guide to buying a home in Portugal under the updated 2025 framework. What is the 100% mortgage rule? Traditionally, banks in Portugal required a minimum down payment of 10 to 30% of the property's value. However, under the 2025 new mortgage guidelines issued by Portuguese financial institutions and backed by government housing initiatives, first-time home buyers and eligible permanent residents can now receive financing for up to 100% of the property's value. The program is mainly aimed at primary residences, not investment or secondary homes. Some banks require proof of stable income, Portuguese residency, or tax residency status. Receipt step-by-step guide to buying a home in Portugal in 2025. Step 1. Understand your eligibility before starting your property search. Check if you meet the eligibility criteria for a 100% mortgage. Check mark you must be a legal resident or citizen of Portugal. Check mark you must not own another property in Portugal. Check mark you must use the property as your primary residence. Check mark you need proof of income and stable employment or self-employment. Check mark clean credit history within Portugal or the EU. Note, some banks extend the scheme to foreigners with long-term residence permits or golden visa holders. Step 2. Get pre-approved for a mortgage. Apply for pre-approval, pre-aprovação, from Portuguese banks. This step gives you a clear budget range, mortgage conditions, interest rates, term, insurance, etc. Faster negotiation once you find a property bank. Top banks offering 100% mortgages in 2025. Caixa Geral de Depósitos, CGD, Banco CTT, Novo Banco, Millennium BCP, Santander, Portugal. Step 3. Start searching for properties once pre-approved. Work with a certified real estate agent, Imobiliário, to search for homes within your approved budget. Focus on areas where prices are stable or rising, such as Lisbon, affordable suburbs like Amadora, Luas, Porto and surrounding cities, Braga, Coimbra, or Setúbal. Algarve. Select localities. Light bulb pro tip. Properties labeled eligible for 100% financing are often listed through bank-partnered agencies. Step 4. Make an offer and reserve the property. Once you find a suitable property, submit a purchase offer, proposta de compra. If accepted, pay a reservation fee, negotiable, often €2,000 minus €5,000. Sign a promissory contract, Contrato Promessa de Compra e Venda, CPCV. This locks the property while your mortgage process completes. Step 5. Final mortgage approval and bank appraisal. The bank will conduct an official property appraisal, avaliação bancária. If the valuation meets the purchase price, the 100% mortgage is confirmed. You will be required to get home insurance and possibly life insurance. The bank then issues the final mortgage approval letter. Step 6. Sign the final deed, Escritura Publica. The final stage involves checkmark signing the deed of sale at a notary, checkmark registering the property under your name, checkmark bank transferring the funds to the seller party. Pauper, congratulations! You are now a homeowner in Portugal, with no down payment required under the 100% mortgage scheme. Pushpin example case. Indian resident buys apartment in Lisbon with 100% mortgage. Buyer profile. Name, Arab. Status, Indian national, holding Portuguese residence permit. Job, IT engineer, employed full-time with a Portuguese company. Property, 2-bedroom apartment in Luas, Lisbon Metro. Value, €185,000. Mortgage, 100% financed by Banco CTT. Monthly repayment, till the €700 per month, 25-year term, 3.1% interest. Result, Arav became a homeowner without paying a cent upfront, thanks to the new 2025 policy. Balance scale pros and cons of 100% mortgage in Portugal. Check mark advantages. No upfront savings required. Easier homeownership for young buyers and immigrants. Government-supported programs provide additional legal and financial guidance, cross-mark risks. High long-term repayment amounts, risk of negative equity if market values drop, requires strong financial discipline. In conclusion, it opens the door for many middle-class families, first-time buyers, and foreign residents who previously could not afford the steep down payments. If you're planning to settle or invest in Portugal, now might be the best time to take the leap into real estate. Thank you for watching this video.